Good morning, students. So today we are going to start with the next topic, that is the nature and extent of outlining. So this topic is related to organizing the report information. Yesterday we have studied about how you are going to organize the report information. What is an outline? Is it clear? Outline is nothing but it is a plan for writing the tasks. Yesterday I studied two different systems are there, that is for representing your information. One is the conventional system, another one is the decimal system. So this is the one is the conventional and this is the decimal system. Now we are going to see with the next one topic, the nature and extent of the outline here. The outline is designed. Why you have to design the outline is designed to meet the objective of the report, and you are collecting a lot of information about your report. Is it clear? So you are collecting that information to meet that objective only. Is it clear? So here with the objective and the information whatever is present in your mind, now you are going to build one structure of the report mentally. Is it clear? Now you are mentally prepared, that now you are having one outline, that okay, this is all the information I have already gathered, and these are all the explanations or solutions already we have got. Is it clear? I have done lot of analysis, now I want to put it into one particular the format. Is it clear? So where this information whatever you have gathered, now it is going to meet the objective of the purpose of writing that particular the report. Is it clear? Now when you prepared mentally, now lot of things are going to be done here. Which part should be written first? What is the heading of the first chapter? What is the heading of the second one, third one? Is it clear? Whether I have to go for the conventional systems or whether I have to go for the decimal system? Is it clear? So what are the headings? I have to be write it at the first level, headings at the second level. How many number of headings I have to be write it at the first level? That is, I have to divide my whole report into how many number of parts or the divisions. So lot of questions are going to be raised it in your mind. So that is your facts, that your ideas are continuously shifting from ups and downs. So after sometimes, now you will come to one certain particular stage that now you are clear about your particular report. Is it clear? Now you have defined one particular order. Okay, this is the structure I have identified, this is the thing, these are all the things I have to rate it first, second, these are all the things I have to covered. So now you come to one particular the stage. Is it clear? That your order becomes clear. Okay, so when your order becomes clear, the order is the one that represents the findings in the clear and most meaningful way. Is it clear? When you reach the outline stage, when you reach the outline stage, you have probably done some of the work. Is it clear? When you reach that particular stage, the outline stage, that you are representing information into a particular report. Is it clear? Now you have probably done some of the work. Now you would be wise to use this particular information, use that the research, the explanation, the solutions, whatever you have finded. Is it clear? So now the general procedure described in the following paragraphs, how you are representing all your information, all your work. Is it clear? Whatever you have gathered, whatever the structure you have been defined mentally, how you are going to put in this. Is it clear? Some of the procedures they have been described here. So you are going to see these particular the procedures. Any report which you are going to write, it should contain two parts. One is a introductory part, another one is a concluding part. Is it clear? So that is the first part is going to give the introduction about your report, what work you have going to do, what are all the things you are going to be cover. So that is going to cover the introduction, and a concluding part is going to give the conclusion about your work. Is it clear? So what conclusion you have drawn, so that information will be presented in that. So these are the two main parts of your report. So that is the first is a introductory and second one is a conclusion. Okay, introductory should be the first part of your report and conclusion or concluding should be the last part. So the following discussion of the outline deals with the body of the report here. Okay, so assuming that an introduction and conclusion will be added to that particular the body. Okay, what do you mean by this? The body, that is The body is the part of the report that present the information what you have gathered. Is it clear? So the body is nothing but it is the part of the report. In that, what you are going to do, in that body of the report, you are representing the information whatever you have collected with the analysis by interpretations. Is it clear? So by doing all these things, you are going to put that information into the body of the report. Is it clear? So that's why here he is going to be say that outline is concerned mainly with the part of the report, we call it as the body. What you mean by the outline of the report? It is nothing but this is a part of the report, we are going to be call it as the body. Is it clear? Now we are going to see that organization by division, how you have to divide the particular the different parts of that particular the report. So you have divide the number of that first level parts. In that you can divide the number of second level parts. In that, if you want, you can divide the number of third level parts. Is it clear? So there is a procedure will be fair. So based on that procedure, you are going to divide this. So here I am going to show you the example. uh, so this is the diagram here. Okay, so this is the diagram. So in this diagram, procedure for constructing an outline by the process of division. Is it clear? So you just see it here, the first part here, that is the number of parts they have been divided. So okay, as you know that it is based on the conventional system. So first part is the introduction they have given, second, third, fourth and fifth part is the last, as I discussed already. So where it is going to contain the summary and the conclusion and the recommendations. Okay, in between whatever the number of parts, whatever information you have collected, so you want, you can put it. Say for example, if I take a report you people are preparing at the end of the semester based on the project what you have done. So you are going to write an introduction will be there. Next you are going to do the literature survey, proposed system will be there. Okay, then you are going to write the software hardware requirements. Then you are going to write about your project. Then you are going to write the testing of whatever you have been done. Is it clear? Then you are going to write the tables, whatever you have been created. Then you are going to write about the future enhancement and the conclusion and bibliography. So these are all the different the sections headings are there. So where you are going to write the information in a particular order. So the first thing here, you have to divide the whole into the number of comparable parts. All these parts are having an equal weightage. The second step here it is that in each particular the main part, if you are having a second level headings are there, so these second level headings you have to divide it. That is in the first part introduction you are having a 3 second level headings are there. I have given the number as a b c. So similarly for the second, third, fourth, in this example they have divided. So divide each Roman section, this gives the ABC. So as we are following the convention system, the first level headings are written with the Roman and the second level letters are written with the letters here, and the third level is going to be written with the numbers. Is it clear? That is Arabic numbers here they have given. So still if you want to further divide your information, so that is first level, second level and the third level, if you want to divide it under that. So here is the example they have given. So that is in the second the part you are having A and B are at the second level. So A is once again divided into the third level. So there you are having two different subparts are there, 1 and 2. So this is the number which you have given. So depend upon the information you want, you can subdivide it. Okay, so this is the procedure here which you are going to be called as a organization by division. Okay, so the next here we are going for division by a conventional relationships. Is it clear? So how you are going to divide your information? Is it clear? So that is you are using based on the conventional relationships. We can divide your information into the number of subparts. So you can find a way of dividing that will produce approximately equal parts. Is it clear? How you have to divide that all the parts should be equal. Is it clear? Whatever the information you have gathered, okay, to meet the objective, so all this information you have to put it into the separate sections. Is it clear? You have to divide it. How you have to divide? You can divide the information based on the time, based on the place, quantity and the factors. These are all the basis for the division. Is it clear? So if I have collected the information which has a time base, is it clear? So I am going to divide it using the time basis. Is it clear? When the information is a time basis division, so time is a possible. Say for example here, the time periods usually follow the two sequences. Is it clear? The information whatever you have collected, you want to represent that information, so which is on a time basis. How you are representing the information? Either it may be from past to present or present to past. In this way you are going to be representing. Is it clear? So these periods are selected, need to be equal in a duration and also but equal in the importance. Here is a one example they have given how your information whatever you have gathered is divided here. So here it is that the some of the headings they are given. The first one, that is the period of orientation, May to July. So next you have given planning the project, that is in the August. Implementation of the research plan, September to November. So these are all the works what you are going to be carried out. That information you are going to be put it. It is based the division is based on the time basis. What the information whatever you are collected, you are dividing it based on the time basis. Is it clear? The next one is the information whatever you are collected, you are dividing based on the geographical location. Is it clear? So this division would be such that areas are nearly equal in importance. Okay, here is a one of the example here which they have given. That information what I collected has relation to the geographical location. Here is a one of the US sales the program, that is information related to the sales. So they have collected the information, and this information they are going to be break down based on the geographical areas. The US sales program, that is the information which is related to the geographical area: New England, okay, Atlantic seaboard, southwest, midwest, Rocky Mountains, and Pacific coast. So these are all the different geographical areas. So based on that you have prepared the sales information. Is it clear? The next one, the division is based on the quantity. Okay, so when you are going to divide the information on the quantity, when your information has a number base. Is it clear? When your information has a number base, you have collected the information based on the number base. Is it clear? At that time, while preparing the report, you are going to making the number of subsections. So these sections are divided based on the number base. Say for example, here two examples are given. One example is that, so what is the buying habits of the customers based on the income what they are earning, or based on the salary what they are going to be getting. So based on the salary, what are the buying habits? So here the study has been done. So that is the study is being representing into the different the sections where it is divided based on the salary. So the first one section here, they are representing the people or the customers who are getting the salary of $30,000. So second one is 30 to 45 $45, and next one is $45,000 to $60,000, $60,000 and the $85, and next one is the $1 lakh and over. These are all the different the divisions you have been based on the salary. Is it clear? Then you are going to representing the information. Okay, this salary group of people, what are their buying habits are there. Is it clear? Another one is that the interest of the people watching a TV or any particular programs. Okay, youths under 18 what they are interested, youth or adults of 18 to 30 what they are interested, adults of 31 to 50, senior adults of age 51 to 70, and elder adults over 70. So this is the information whatever you have collected, the survey whatever you have done. Now you are having the information, you are going to put it into the different that particular subdivisions. So you have divided based on this particular the quantity, that is based on the number base. The last one is there, you are dividing the information based on the factor, that is areas to be investigated. Is it clear? So in which area you have done the investigation, so based on that you are dividing the information. So here is a one example they have been given, that that is a division by fact. It is a report seeks to determine which of three locations is the best for the new office. So there are three different locations are there where they wanted to build a new office. So which one is the best location for building that? You are going to be identifying with the factors. Yesterday also I discussed about the different factors in the comparison. So here different factors they have been taken. What is the location? Accessibility, how much rent you have to pay for the office, is there any parking facilities there or not, is it convenient to current and new customers, what are the facilities are available in the city. So for all these particular factors you are collecting the information for all these three different locations, and then you are going to put it under these particular the sections. Is it clear? So another one is that there is another one report which has been prepared here. That is report is for the manufacturer, the products who are manufacturing, it is for them. So under the different headings, what is the feasibility of the product, so that product feasibility information will be there based on this particular factor. What are the financial considerations are there, strength of the competition, what is the consumer demand, and what is the marketing considerations. These are all the different subdivisions which have been divided based on the factors and information whatever collected to these particular headings you are going to put it. Okay, so they are going to give the proper information to the manufacturer. Okay, so we will stop it here. So in the next class we are going for, is it possible to combine, is it clear, multiple division possibilities. Okay.